the Melgeek Pixel right here. So if you can't already tell, this is the world's first Lego compatible mechanical keyboard. And I have to say, my inner child is extremely excited. This keyboard might be one of the most creative ideas for a keyboard I've ever seen. And in fact, right now I'm gonna say it actually is, because the fact that you can actually just quite literally grab a set of Legos, which I did, the fact that this thing is just a completely unique experience that I have not seen from any other keyboard manufacturer. And the best part of all, it just sounds really, really good right out of the box without any modifications. Take a listen. I will have a link down below, as always, letting you know where you can go ahead and get one.